Alam mo ba na sa Pilipinas, breast cancer o cancer sa suso ay isa sa pinakakaraniwang sakit sa ating mga kababaihan. At alam mo ba na sa pagdating mo sa edad na 30, ang tsansa mo na magkaroon ng breast cancer ay mas tataas pa. So here are some exercises na pwede mong gawin everyday to help you drain your lymphatic system at para magkaroon ng mas mabuting daloy ng dugo sa ating breast area at sa buong katawan. Una, masahiin ang suso in counterclockwise direction or direksyon paloob in circle motion at gawin ito for 60 seconds. Pangalawa, itaas ang isang braso at masahiin ang suso in clockwise direction or palabas ng direksyon for the next 60 seconds. And repeat on the other side. Pangatlo, masahiin ang ilalim ng kilikili for 30 to 60 seconds on both sides. Pang-apat, dukdukin ang kilikili for 16 times, yung tamang pressure lang, huwag masyadong lakasan, at gawin ito on both sides then. Pang-lima, do 16 times of arm circles on both direction, paloob at palabas. Pang-anim, shake or yugugin ang buong katawan. Deep inhale and big exhale to release the tension. Keep breathing and shake your body. Feel your breast as it dances and moves with you for the next 60 seconds. And lastly, give yourself a big stretch and feel the mood changes in you.
Follow lamang kung gusto mong maging stronger, wiser, and sexier.